They're warm.
Yeah. I realize I don't want to see them through my camera screen.
What?
I don't want to see them the first time through my camera screen.
Bye, Holly.
Try to see like
They didn't go off. I think they might just be whistling.
They sound like someone I know. I can't remember who though. They do sound a little like Liz. Hi, Liz.
You know what?
You're lovely. It's okay.
If I was a firecracker, I'd be oh my god, those. See how far back those went? Gotta love fireworks.
Always. You'll love them when you do them yourself.
Oh, my dad does them every year.
Where?
We'd go to Rhode Island and we do them around my birthday and his birthday.
Nice. I'm jealous.
He buys them in New Hampshire every year and then we go down on our vacation. And then we did some in New York after the picnic for my cousin's engagement.
I'm jealous.
And there's a cop next door that lived next to them and they didn't care. Their kids will actually watch too.
That's hilarious.
Well, this video will be entertaining. You'll hear me talking the whole time.
It's okay. You'll hear that in mine too.
I worked on a lake at the Cape last summer, and it was a camp, so we couldn't set them off. But we'd just go down to the beach, and everyone around the lake would be setting them off themselves.
I'm
That's
so
great.
jealous.
Awesome. I keep thinking I'm not far back enough.
You are.
The only thing I don't like about those ones is there's not enough color. I like it when there's like that, a lot of color.
I like the ones that like go like
I just like fireworks in general.
That's true. It's explosion, honestly.
9-3 Boston.
Really?
Yeah,
That's exciting.
against Houston Astros.
That doesn't surprise me.
We really needed it.
Yeah, we need them more than they do. Even though they're in last place, so, you know.
It's an ego booster,
Yeah, but we need to be in front of the Yankees.
which we're not.
Or at least in front of them.
We're in front of everybody else. We're in second place, if anything. Unlike at the beginning of the year.
I'm just still afraid that Tampa
10-2.
Yeah, that was bad.
I can't believe we got back from that. Oh. Actually, I'm really happy that we did, and I'm not surprised. I was surprised we did that badly.
and that's when the trees
Yeah. Oh well.
But I like those ones that did go, the whistlers, but you couldn't follow them because they go so far, and then other ones would happen. No, yeah, those are cool. More whistlers. But they explode into something too, though.
Sometimes. It's been going on for over 6 minutes. My arm's getting tired.
Yeah, no, right?
So, could feel your hand trembling. Could feel your hand trembling. It's funny,
I'm switching.
I can't.
I know, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm gonna miss you in college.
No, I'm gonna miss you too. And at the same time, I'm gonna be like, you know, we're all gonna be having so much fun at the same time. It's
That's
like,
true.
we're all gonna have such good experiences that are different, though. I might be doing Greek life.
I don't want to do Greek. I can't do Greek. I'm in the honors program. I mean, I'll do honor. Maybe I'll do it in like my senior year, but maybe not now.
No, ours, for freshmen, you can't rush until December because you have to have a certain GPA.
Yeah.
And then you have to maintain a certain GPA too.
I need to maintain a 3.0 or higher. Oh, hi, Jillian.
What is?
She goes to an all-girls school, so it's like being a sorority all the time.
Oh, I couldn't do that.
Why do you think I'm going to a co-ed?
Me too.
Just still 5.5 hours away from my girlfriend's house. Great.
Just make sure she goes to
It's not
UConn.
co-ed. No, that would suck.
That's true. Or goes near.
I don't really care. We've made it work for 2 months now, so I mean, there's that. Kind of.
Where's she getting it from?
That's true. And every time, and I'll be going to an air show with her for a week.
Cool.
With the family.
These
My family's not going.
makes it all the better. Oh crap, I'm going too low. I mean high. There we go. Those are too low. Okay, there we go.
I like the big.
My left arm is trembling.
Aww.
The thing I like about the Boston ones is they're much more organized.
That's true.
The music, so they have a more distinct like beginning, middle, end.
Yeah, and it goes like with the big bangs and whatnot.
Catherine, I just realized if we go to that, I don't have to do anything for the Stars and the Stripes because the fireworks will do it all for me. But they won't be in time. No.
My parents did say I don't have to go to Wakefield, so.
Well, I mean, if you don't want to go to Wakefield, we're going to be there for like the entire day.
I'm still going with you guys. Does that cost something to go in with the pops or anything?
I don't think so.